Who is Garage Tricks? Please identify yourself. It's not restricted. Why does it say it's restricted? The Nerds books below. I don't know why it says it's restricted. Yeah, it's not restricted. I clicked it so it said it wasn't restricted. Put user in a timeout. Don't make me put you in a timeout. Okay, who's the Nerds books? Identify yourself, people. Hello, Hayden. Because I'm swearing.
No. N-O, no.
Oh, it's if you use your school student account, then they think it's restricted and swearing. Hi, Shrek. Hello, Ethan. I can't watch the video because of restricted mode. It's not restricted mode.
No means no.
Just use a different account. Exactly. Don't use your student account.
No, 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 no.
Talking to you, Hayden. Oh, I'm a butt. I guess that Ryder's here. Okay, we're all the way up to 10 people. It's exciting stuff. Garage Tricks is Braden. Hello, Caleb Bissett. Let's start quoting the B movie. No one's watched the B movie. Be serious. If you guys would all subscribe and then all your friends subscribe and get me up to 1,000, then I could just use my cell phone to do this and I wouldn't have to put a stupid laptop up here. So, I need 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. We're at 160. What? I don't know what your comment is, Ryder. Stop. The Canadian Kid Gamer. I can also gain ad revenue. I'm pretty sure since I use my school account that the school division would probably take any ad revenue. They would just be like, thank you. The Canadian Kid Gamer, Ryder Robinson, wants me to stop with a whole bunch of stop. Okay, we're going to give a couple more minutes. Hopefully more than 14 people show up. Uh-oh, Ryder's dad's on now. Hey. Donovan commented on one of the probability quiz. Hi, Donovan. Yeah, get Bella on here. It's not hard. You go to YouTube, type in amazing content, and this is the first thing that pops up.
No, no, no. 1,000 times no.
Can you guys read what's on the screen? Caleb, you deserve a shout out because the only thing you ever comment is first comment. What kind of a shout out do you want? Shout out to Caleb for being like everyone else on the internet and doing first comment. Good job, Caleb. What's for breakfast, Barry? Oh yeah, here's my plan. We're going to go over the quiz because 90% of you did really poorly on the quiz. So I was hoping you could see the quiz because maybe you can see it. It's kind of fuzzy, kind of not. I'm going to turn the light out. Maybe it'll look better. Maybe that's better. I hid the name so no one can see who's writing what. Okay. So we're going to go over every question. Because you see the marks down the side here, 7A. This is for you guys. Class average 7A, 66%. Good job. Got a 50, a 35, a 50, a 40, a 40. There's 100, 90, 80, 100, 30, 40, 50, 50. So you see the marks there. Then you see 7B was 65 average, 7C 54, and 7D leading the way as usual, 79. Good job, 7D. Okay, so some of the questions. How are we going to view the questions? Like this, I guess. Okay, the first one. Rolling a 4 on a regular six-sided die. Now, a little bit of review before we start. Hopefully, even though Caleb and Ethan and Braden are doing, typing in a script for a movie because they have nothing better to do. Hopefully, the rest of you are paying attention. So remember, this is stupid pen. Okay, this is the part that why lots of you are failing because you didn't put the capital P and what we're looking for probability. Okay, so that was one of the 2 marks for each question. So the 5 questions out of 10 marks. So you have to say probability of whatever it is. In this question, it was of getting a 4. So you should have probability of 4, equal sign, and then the 3 things. So you would have the fraction, ratio, and percent. Okay, now on the bottom of the fraction, the bottom is the total number of possibilities, outcomes on a 6-sided die. On a 6-sided die, there are 6 possible outcomes. If you roll a die, you can get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a 6 would go here. We had some 4s down here for some reason. Okay, and then on the top goes that's right on the shiny spot. There we go. I don't know how to do this. On the top goes what we're looking for. So we don't put the 4 there, but how many times does this appear? How many times is this possible? There's only a single 4 on a dice. So you should have P, probability of getting 4, 1 out of 6. Okay, to go to a ratio. A few of you are struggling with the ratio thing too. You remember you're doing a comparison here. Well, I almost did what other people were doing. Okay, 1 to 6. So basically you're turning that fraction and turning on its side, and then turning that into a fraction. Okay, you're going to divide 1 divided by 6 times 100 is going to get you 16.6 repeated. Again, this was a struggle. 6 repeated rounds to 1 decimal place is to 16.7. Okay, so that's the answer for the first one. Probability of rolling, can't see it. Probability of rolling a 4 on a 6-sided die. Okay, the next one. Probability of landing on heads when you're flipping a coin. So I'm flipping a coin. What are the chances I'm going to get a head? So again, the probability of doing what? Heads. You don't need to write anything more than heads. Okay, some of you are writing giant sentences in there. That's fine, but you don't have to do that. So probability. So again, how many times does heads appear on a coin? 1 time. So you're either going to get heads or tails. So total possible outcomes flipping a coin, there's 2 outcomes. For whoever that person was that thought they would say that there was 3 because it could stand on its edge. No, it can't. Okay, it's either going to be heads or tails. One of those is heads. So it's 1 out of 2. So you have a 1 to 2 or 50%. Okay, probability of getting heads, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 50%. Okay, number 3, choosing a red marble from a bag that contains 3 blue, 4 red, and 5 green marbles. So again, this one, probability of getting a red marble. Okay, probability of getting a red marble. Total possible outcomes. So when I reach in the bag, how many possible outcomes are there? You should add these together. It's 12. Okay, 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 5 is 12. Now, how many possibilities are there of getting a red marble? If we look here, there are 4 red marbles, so that would go, I have 4 opportunities out of the 12 to get there. Now, the part that some of you are doing, I was hoping you would reduce these, asking you to, so you would divide by 4, divide by 4, this reduces to 1/3. Okay, so then you'd put that as a ratio, and then you would 1 divided by 3 times 100 is 33.3 repeated percent. Now, 3 repeated does not round up to 4, as quite a few people did. It's 4. Ryder, stop telling people to work it, please. My concurrent viewers are peaking. Sweet, we're at 23. Okay, that was number 3. Number 4. Rolling an even number on a regular 6-sided die. Okay, so an even number is what we're looking for. Okay, total possible outcomes on a 6-sided die. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, even number. What even numbers do we have on a 6-sided die? We have 2, we have 4, and we have 6. So there's 3 of them. So 3 possible outcomes when I roll. Okay, we can reduce this. Divide by 3 is 1/2. Okay, 1 to 2, 50%. Okay, again, probability of getting an even number is 3 out of 6. Same as 1 to 2 or 1/2 or 50%. Okay, that's the 4th one. 5th one. This one a lot of you struggle with. I take it that most of you don't play enough cards. Choosing a black jack from a regular deck of playing cards. Now, for those of you that don't know how many playing cards there are, up here in the instructions, which some of you didn't read, it says right there, there's 52 playing cards in a deck. Again, if you don't know that, you should play more cards. Hi, Kim Orr. Oh, it's Hayden. Hi, Hayden. Okay, if you don't know, 52 cards in a deck. This one says a black jack. Okay, there are 2 black jacks, spades, and clubs. So just so you know, there's 2 of those, and there's 52 cards in the deck. So probability of a black jack. Okay, how many times? There's 2 in the deck. How many total cards can you draw? You can draw 52 total cards. Okay, again, this can reduce down to divided by 2, down to 1 over 26. Okay, 1 to 26. And the percent was 3.8%. Lots of you are rounding that to 4, which isn't 1 decimal place as you were asked. Zachary Copeter says, can you do 2, 4, 6 in the brackets? Back here for even number 4. Yes, for sure. You could have done probability 2, 4, 6. For sure. That would work. Yep. Thank you, Zach. That was a wonderful question. Okay. So you're putting in the brackets what you're looking for. Many of you did not do this. So that's why you got these terrible marks that you got. No, don't close. Okay, so let's look back at some of these and I'll show you, for example. So this person's hidden name, so you can't tell who they are. But here's their answer for question 1. Okay, so they put 1/6, 1 to 6, and 17%. They rounded it incorrectly, and still I gave them 1 out of 2 points. Okay, what did they forget? They went back and corrected this one. Actually, this is a bad example of because they had the wrong answer, and I hinted it to them. So they wrote that. It's not. It's 16.7. It says right in the instructions, 1 decimal place. Let's go to one where they're all wrong. Here we go. Here we go. Here's someone who thinks that a 6-sided die has 4 possible outcomes on it. Hey, Mr. Davis, Ryder says, you have no likes on the video. Hey, the Canadian Kid Gamer, I don't care. I'm not looking for likes. And actually, I have 7. Good job, 7 thumbs up. Here, I'm going to make it 8. Dang, can't like myself. That's too bad. That's kind of sad, actually. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Some more responses. So this one, again, here's another person. Poor rounding, still gave you 1 mark because they have 1 out of 6, 1 to 6. Poor rounding. Same thing here. They had all of it right, but they forgot the P. Looking for a 4. Probability of getting a 4. There, that's why you get the full marks. Where's someone who did it right? Here we go. Whoa, look at this. It is possible. P4, 1 to 6, 16.7%. Here's someone else. Except I yelled at him. Capital P. Wait, I think I know who this person is. So does he. Okay, always capital. Got everything else right. Okay, number 2. Okay, this person got that one right again. I got mad at him about the capital P again. Okay, looking for heads. 1 out of 2 heads. 2 probabilities, heads and tails. So it's 1 to 2, 50%. Okay, little extra information here. They wrote in that they divided each side by 4, so then it went to 1 to 3. Okay, they got both points. Let's go to this one. No, let's not go to that one. Let's find someone in 7B here that struggled. Here we go. Number 2. Oh, I should have gave him 1 mark for that. There you go, you get 1 mark, 10%. Can we find anyone who got number 2 wrong? Here we go. Number 2, 1 out of 2. Okay, now we're looking for. Hey, Bella Paxman's here. Hi, Bella. Is there a way you can rewatch this afterwards? Yes, you'll be able to watch the whole thing. It saves it on the channel. Mr. Davis, can you show me what I got? Yeah, I'll release all the scores. Yeah, Bella's here. Hi, Bella. Glad to have you. Okay, again, down here, this one should say probability of getting heads, 1 to 2, 1/2, and 50%. This says 1 out of 2. Not what we're looking for. What did this person put? Oh, they put nothing. Good job. What did this person put? Oh, let's give them 1 mark there. Good job. Okay, why is it only 1 mark? They forgot the P. We're looking for heads. Okay, again, you got to have all of the information here. If you just write this down, I have no idea what you're talking about. Okay, some more of these. Great. Okay, here's a good example of something I don't understand what's going on here. So it's 33.3%, so we're good. It is 4 out of 12. How do we turn 4 out of 12 into 4 to 8? I don't know who this person is. Name's hidden. I won't show you. This is the part that's confusing. Remember, you take your fraction and you write the numerator first and then the denominator. 4 to 12. Don't change the numbers. Let's see, what does this person do? Okay, this one again. So this one says, again, I don't know, probability of getting a red marble. So this is one where there was 4 red marbles out of 12 total marbles in the bag. They wrote down it's a 0 chance of getting a red marble. That's not true. There's 4 red marbles available out of the 12 total marbles. So it's 4 out of 12, which reduces to 1/3. Okay, 1 to 3, 33.3 percentages. Okay. Thomas, the unholy sheep paralysis demon. Who are you? Just so you can be noticed. Come on, Thomas. Identify yourself. Emma. That is an incredible name, Emma. Great job.
No.
All right. Anyone have any specific questions about this quiz? Because, like I showed you, the marks were pretty crappy. You're welcome, Emma. Shout out to Emma. So we're going to, I'll release the marks. Janelle / Bergen Janelle Jensen. What did you get?
No.
That's what you get. If you put a P, is that a mark down on the test? As in a lowercase p? No, this time I wasn't. I didn't say it was wrong for lowercase p. From now on, do an uppercase P, please. 3 text messages. Oh, I am important. Chapter 5. Hold on, just relax. Hold on. Oh, we're getting some good stuff. Okay, now. No, you, Bergen.
No.
Wow, we've been on here for 24 minutes. It's incredible. 20 people. Now, what do you guys think of my spinner? I just made a spinner for you guys. Everyone subscribe is exactly right, Garage Tricks. Oh, you can't even really see it. Can you see who's on the spinner? Let's see. Start at the top. Zachary Copeters, number 1. And Bergen Jen, where are we? Parker, Luke, Sam, Sawyer. Excellent tie, Sawyer. Johnny, Kalai, Grady, Troy. Hope Troy's out there. What's up, Troy? Ross, Cannon, Bergen, and back to Zach again. So you'll notice it's just everybody twice in the same order. Yeah. Parker / Tracy Ellingson, you're on it. What's the since Parker's here, what's the probability we'll get Parker if I spin this? Anybody? Anybody know the probability is we'll get Parker? Somebody tell me now. Yes, Caleb, it's the hit list. I'm going to stalk whose ever house. No, I'm not. I bet I shouldn't say that. Someone tell me the probability of getting Parker on this.
This is my last word. No!
Zach, you're number 13 and number 1. 1 in 24, Caleb. That's an excellent guess, except everyone's on there twice. So the probability of Parker is 2 out of 24, or what's a comma? 1 out of 12, 1 to 12, or what's that as a percent? Good job, Parker. Oh, 8.3%. Not a very good chance here. But we're going to try it anyways. Live. This is like a game show. Bree, good job. Welcome, Bree. Glad you're here. All right. All right, we're looking for Parker. No cheating here. I'll awkwardly holding it here. Ready? Where's Parker? Parker's there, number 2. Number 2 and number 14. All right, Parker, here you go. This is so exciting. This is like doing the Powerball, watching the lottery ticket. If we actually land on Parker, I'm bringing him a prize right to his house. I'll decontaminate it. Are you kidding? Look how close that landed. Sorry, Parker. It's like buying a lottery ticket. You're that close to winning. Zach, you're the winner today. Oof is right, nerd book. Anyone have any questions before we end this incredible video? Anyone? Parker, we'll try one more time. I know you're heartbroken. It's true, Zach. You ruined everything. All right, ready? Oh, I think I spun it a little harder that time. Are you kidding? Parker! You actually did it that time. Parker. Winner! Parker, I'm going to come leave a prize on your lawn. Ooh, that sounds ominous, actually. Rest assured, though, I don't own a dog, so it won't be that kind of a prize. Parker's our winner today. That was pretty incredible, actually. 2 tries, we actually did it. Sorry, Zach. All right, who's our second winner? Keep going. Keep going. Who is it? Ooh, Cannon. Well, Cannon's not on here, so he doesn't win nothing. I have a prize I'll give you, Mr. Davis. Uh-oh. Mr. Robinson, you're scaring me. All right. No one has any questions? I know you're all enjoying chatting. Zach's the one and the only. Hi. 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 Is everyone subscribed yet?
No!
That's Zach right there. Zach, subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button. Do it. Yeah. Just think this video is going to be on there forever for everyone to watch. That's a little scary. Okay, we're going to end the video, I guess. No one has any questions? No, Zach. Parker's the pro. Sorry, buddy, not you. Just Parker. Parker, I'll drop a prize off later on your lawn. I'd bring it to your door, but that is breaking the social distancing rules, and I don't want to be a part of that. Why are there no girls on there? Well, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. Why are there no girls? Because none of the boys will complain when I put their picture off Power School on there, and it's like from grade 4, and they don't look like that anymore, where pretty much, with my experience, girls would complain. Why did you use that picture? Where did you get that from? You know. Who's that? Luke? Luke's not on here either. Just throw it at him. Ruby, that's a good idea. Okay. Yeah, this is whatever's on Power School. That's where I got the pictures from. Hi, Luke. Oh, Sawyer. Nobody looks as good as Sawyer, though. Can't see Sawyer in the light there. Look at that. He's wearing a suit. Wearing a suit and a white shirt. Looking good. Hi, Luke. Glad you're here, buddy. Okay. No one has any questions. Here's what I'm going to do. I'll release the marks to you so you can see them. If you want to redo your the quiz, I will put a new quiz on there here in like 20 minutes. Okay, I'll put a new quiz on there, and then you can retake the quiz, and we'll take your better marks. Okay, lots of you want to check this because lots of you didn't do something. You want me to walk around the school? All right. Can I end this live stream though? So I'll start another one. I don't know if that kicks you off or what, but I'm going to end this. I'll end it, and then you guys come back on to the next one.